Yep, back up. It's an Amazon device. Simple as that.
Looking to make your home smarter without breaking the bank? Meet the Amazon Smart Plug, your first step into the smart home world. In this video, we'll unbox it, set it up, and test it to see if it's actually worth your money. Inside the box, you'll find just the smart plug and a simple guide. No bulky manuals, no extra clutter, just plug and play. The design is sleek and compact, so it doesn't block other sockets. A big win for small spaces. Setting it up is super simple. Plug it in, open the Alexa app, and it'll automatically detect your smart plug. You can name it coffee machine, fan, charger, whatever you like. Just follow the steps and you're done in under 2 minutes. So what can you do with it? You can turn appliances on or off using your voice. Alexa, turn on the coffee machine. Or set routines. Turn on lights at sunset. Turn off devices at bedtime. It works with Alexa, schedules, timers, but no Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit. Super easy to use. Compact design works great with Alexa cons. Doesn't support other smart assistants. Slightly pricey for a single plug. So is it worth it? If you're already in the Amazon ecosystem, absolutely yes. It's one of the easiest ways to automate your home without needing a smart hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What would you control with a smart plug?